Hi, and welcome to the tutorial video of creating a map in the Map Builder. This video will cover the basic steps of creating a map. This is the next step in the Fundamentals series. If you haven't seen the data tutorial, I would highly recommend doing that first. So, without further ado, let's dive into the Map Builder. On the left side on the screen, we can find our different Map Builder areas. Let's navigate to our data area again. This was our workplace for the previous video. We uploaded the data about the number of houses in Europe and North America. There are two methods in creating a new map. The first one will be via the My Data area. The second one will be via the My Maps area. Let's start here. When we press the Options button, we get the Create Map option. Let's click on it. It leads us to the Create Map from Dataset window. The only thing that is left is giving our map a name and clicking on the Create button. When we click Open Map, we go to our newly created map. This is the first method in creating a new map. The second one is done via the My Maps area. This method combines the upload of a new dataset and the creation of a map in a single process. First, we select the Create Map underneath the search bar. This will open the Upload menu. Next, we are going to create a dataset from a file. Creating a dataset from scratch and geocoding your dataset will be covered in a different video. The file that we are going to use contains geometry, a country name, the number of houses, an area ID, and the name. Let's give the map and the dataset a quick name, and we are ready to start the import process and creation of our map. When we click Open Map, we go to our newly created map. This is the second method on creating maps. And this concludes this tutorial video about creating a map from data. In the next video, we will start styling the map we just created. Check out our other Fundamentals series video about the Map Builder, uploading data, or sharing maps. Are you missing some content? Just leave a comment below and we will include this in a future video. Subscribe to the channel to get notifications about future instruction videos, and I will spot you in the next tutorial video. Cheers!